Why do 90% of cleaning companies struggle with long-term cleanliness? Discover T1 and watch your worries vanish. T1 is not just a product, it's a game changer. When you treat surfaces with T1's titanium dioxide once a year, magic happens. Seriously, here's how. First, T1 activates with light, kicking off a photocatalytic reaction. This techie term means it produces reactive oxygen species, tiny warriors that obliterate bacteria, viruses, and even mildew. Say goodbye to germs and hello to a healthier space. Next up, odors. Those pesky smells. T1's got them covered. It breaks down stinky organic compounds, solvents, VOCs, leaving your space fresh and inviting. But wait, there's more, right? T1's cleaning power doesn't stop. With ongoing light exposure, it keeps disinfecting and deodorizing for up to 12 months. And no maintenance, so just use microfiber cloths and water, no harsh chemicals needed. Transform your cleaning strategy with T1, cleaner, healthier and eco-friendly. Ready to take your cleaning to the next level. Revolutionize with T1 today.